If AB is a chord, see here AB is the chord of the circle with center O, and PQ is the tangent at B. It is touching the circle at point B. This B is called the point of contact. With reflex angle AOB is equal to 210. AOB means reflex angle, means angle which is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is called reflex angle. This is given 210 degree equal to 210 degree. Find the value of ABQ. ABQ means this angle is asked. What is the value of this? See here, I will show. We have studied in 9th class that alternate segment theorem. See here, if this is a circle, if a tangent is touching at the circle at point P, suppose here, suppose if you take B, this as Q, this as P, then through B, if you draw a line segment AB, okay, then the angle made by this tangent with the chord AB and ABQ, angle ABQ is equal to angle made in the alternate segment. See, AB is making this segment here. Take any point C in it and join it to AB, A and B. This angle will be equal to this angle ABQ. This is called alternate segment theorem. See, suppose this is x degree. This will also be x degree. See here, this segment AB is making an angle x with the tangent. Then the angle made by this segment AB in the remaining part of the circle, any point you take, suppose C, join it to AB, this angle will be equal to this angle x. This is called alternate segment theorem. Okay. Now we shall write that angle ABQ is equal to angle ACB, provided if we take a point C on remaining part of the circle. I am taking here in the original diagram, I am taking a point C here on the circle. If I join it to A and B, then this angle will be equal to ABQ. We shall write the same here. Okay, shall take away this. Now, angle ABQ is equal to angle ACB. From where C has come is, take a point C on the circle. Join it to A and B. Then these angles are equal. Why these angles? Alternate segment theorem. This is there in 9th class. In some textbooks it is there in 10th class also. See, alternate segment, we shall keep it as result number 1. Again, another theorem is there. Suppose this angle is 210, reflex angle. Then what is this angle? See, complete angle around the circle, this complete angle how much? 360 degree. Here, if I take this complete angle, this will be 360. If this is reflex angle is 210, this angle will be 150, you know. Correct. This angle is how much? 150. AOB. because we shall take reflex angle AOB plus angle interior angle, a smaller angle AOB. They together, their sum is how much? 360 degree. This reflex angle is 210 plus AOB angle, we have to find out 360, means angle AOB is equal to 360 minus 210 is equal to 150 degree, this angle. Now another theorem is there, angle subtended by a chord at the center of circle, this is 150, see here at the diagram, AOB is 150, then the angle subtended by the chord on the remaining part of the circle, this will be half of 150, means 75 degree it will be. This is also a theorem, angle AOB is equal to ACB value double. It will be double the value of ACB. Or inversely, if you write angle ACB is half of angle AOB. This is according to a theorem. This is a theorem. Therefore, ACB is half of AOB means half of AOB is 150, means 75 degree. ACB is how much? 75 degree. Angle ACB we got as, how much we got? 75 degree. This angle 75 means this will be also 75, AOB, ABQ. It implies angle ABQ is equal to 75.